chicken mushroom Marsala mozzarella grilled cheese. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cooking oil, I use grapeseed. 2 tablespoons softened butter. 2 slices of sturdy bread, we used a very heavily whole-grained and seeded one. Handful shredded mozzarella cheese. 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese. Leftover roast chicken, any pieces, shredded or chopped. Mushroom Marsala sauce. Chopped fresh parsley. Directions: heat oil in a frying pan over low heat. Spread the outside of both slices of bread with softened butter. Place both slices of bread buttered side down in the oil in the pan. Pile each slice with mozzarella cheese, then a tablespoon each of Parmesan cheese. Cook until bread is toasted and cheese has melted. Remove the grilled bread with cheese to a plate or cutting board. Pile cooked chicken on one slice of bread. Spoon mushroom Marsala sauce over chicken, trying to get more of the mushrooms and less of the Marsala sauce part. Sprinkle with chopped fresh parsley. Close the sandwich with the other slice of grilled bread and cheese. Press together firmly.